Okay, and welcome back to this bonus section or bonus lecture. Just real briefly wanted to kind of recap some of the things we had talked about and then leave you guys with a bit of information to kind of help you on your journey of personal growth and development. So of course, we talked about the neuroscience behind emotional intelligence. We had talked about the different brain areas that are responsible for emotional intelligence. We had talked about the importance of positive thinking and how to make it practical. And then we also went into some strategies you can do as far as diet and exercise, sleeping, getting enough water, and listening to music. All that tied in together to kind of go with the title of the course, where my whole focus and my whole point of putting the course together was to actually really and truly help you become a better person. So even if one of you taking the course has implement some of the information that we have here and goes out and makes a positive difference, not only in your life but in the lives of others, but then my goal for putting the course together would have been achieved. So there's a thing called stages of change that everybody goes through at one point in time, and there's four different people who took this course that are at each stage or at one of these stages. Whether you're somebody who took the course, you don't know the information, or you didn't know the information prior to taking it, or you could be one of the ones who knew the information consciously but really was just putting it off to the side, not really attending to it, or you could be one of the people who knew the information and were actually putting it into practice, or you could have been at the fourth stage where you're one of the people who actually took the information, put into practice, and actually benefited from it. So the first stage are people who are unconsciously incompetent. So if you came to this course and everything that you had learned about in this course is new to you, then you were one of the people at the unconscious incompetence level. The next stage is the conscious incompetence level, which is after you went through the course, you now know of the information, but you're still not taking any action on it or using information to kind of better yourself. The third stage is the conscious competence, and those are the people who have took the course or came to the course knowing the information already and actually already started using some of the information to improve themselves. And then the fourth stage are those who are unconsciously incompetent. So those are the people that knew the information, took the information in, started applying some of the information, and making changes in their life as a result. So in these stages of change, you can find them anywhere. You can go online and you can find people have different names for them and different strategies as far as how to go through them. But everybody goes through each four of the stages depending on whatever subject you're trying to learn or whatever particular area in life you are. So again, I hope you guys really got some value from going through the course. I will be having open office hours once the course is released, so you guys can send me questions and things like that, and then also leave me comments and feedback on how I can improve the course for the future. So again, I hope you guys really enjoyed the course. It's been my desire and been my hope that you've been benefited from it. And then yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing what's next. Hopefully I'll be putting another course together sometime this year once I get feedback from everybody. So again, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you on the flip side.